You are a manufacturer or distributor of chemicals that are used in a wide variety of industries. In order to get your products to your customers quickly and smoothly, you fill them into all kinds of different containers and ship them around the world. Wouldn't it be great to know where which container is at the moment and even find out whether it's still standing full in your warehouse or has already been emptied by your customer? And what would it be like if, instead of sending along folders full of documentation, you could just provide them to your customer online with the click of a button? And if it turns out that something didn't get sent the way it should have been, what would it be like if you or your customer could simply block the batch or order in question with just a click, and thus make it impossible to dispense any non-conform chemicals so that they cannot get into the process where they could cause greater damage? Well, how about that? Our cloud-based SupplyLine platform allows you to do all that. Container tracking, storage management, foolproof filling, batch blocking, paired with 100% traceability and innovative analyses. And here is how SupplyLine works for you as a chemical supplier. You fill your chemicals as usual or prepare them for shipping to the customer. If your filling process is done using components from the QC system, then you could already install a dip tube with an integrated RFID chip into the tank, for instance. This way, the container can be reliably filled using a QC fill head, whereby the RFID chip is simultaneously identified and automatically registered in the cloud. Containers with separately attached RFID chips can also be registered in the cloud, of course. This way, you always know which container has been filled with which chemical. Further information can easily be added. The container holding your chemicals is now transported to your customer. Once it's arrived, the container is connected to its dispensing station and the chip is read out automatically. It now automatically determines whether the container is connected to the right dispensing station. If everything matches, a release signal is sent from the cloud, allowing the system or pump to start. Your customer also has access to the SupplyLine platform, where he can keep an eye on all of his dispensing stations. Intelligent self-teaching algorithms also determine when the next container must be internally prepared or delivered to the customer. You and your customers will now benefit from greater transparency, higher security, and better cooperation without you or your customers needing any expensive infrastructure. No matter what containers and dispensing systems you use, SupplyLine is manufacturer independent and can be used at any place and any time. A win-win system for everybody.